I completely forgot to talk a little bit to see if you actually can hear me or not. So, that was a very high-pitchy voice. I apologize, guys. Anyhow, today we are riding to, not really to, but like around actually the northern part of the lake. And we are starting with our trip to Lake Country. So yeah, that is really the test, if you even can hear me, even on a higher speed, depending on the wind, right? So I really hope that by adding the mic adapter for my GoPro and like the little mic I have really work out. Because it would be a shame if not. But I must say, guys, it is so hot and I'm already regretting putting on my leather jacket. However, it just needs some sort of protection, otherwise I will probably get burned by the sun, because we have, I think, 28 degrees or something right now. So having a little bit of protection just from the elements, right? Like the sun, the wind, never hurts. Even the wind is warm, guys. That is so beautiful to ride today. And the rest of the weather forecast for today, but he said as well, like it just stays that nice. So very pumped. Because yeah, I really did not get any, like I barely got anything with me for today. It's really just some water, some power bars, just in case I'm getting hungry. Because basically the trip I'm planning on today is probably taking me a little over 2 hours. So I want to make sure that if I feel thirsty or if I feel hungry on the ride, I have my proper nutrition in. Because seriously, like, there's nothing worse than feeling pain on a motorcycle, right? Like, that's getting just way too dangerous. Oh, I can feel the wind! It's so good. You guys, it took me, like, I hadn't had a chance to ride for the entire week. So it's over a week now that I was on my motorcycle for the last time. It feels so good. I missed it. Let's just pass there because they're just getting way too slow. And I can feel as soon as I get slower and I don't have the wind cooling me down, it's just getting way too quickly, way too hot in my leather jacket. Oh my gosh, guys, do you see what I see? This motorcycle up front there has a little puppy tray in the back. There is a puppy in there. Yeah, that's a dog. Is it a dog? It is a dog. That is so cool. I want that too. Like a dog and this part in the back to take the dog with me. Like, that is so cool. Very neat. Yeah, it is a dog. That is so cool. The dog is enjoying it quite a bit. Oh man. Do you see how green this grass is? And all these orchards. Only if you could smell the honey. Like, you can just like feel the blooms and the honey. And like, it's gorgeous. What a massive RV. Honestly, these are like little houses on wheels. It's insane. I'm going to be so sunburned. But like, it was just too warm to ride with the leather jacket. It's just like, But I for sure should have put on some sunscreen. I just hope I'm not going to regret that. that is Vernon. I must say Vernon is not as beautiful as Kelowna is. However, it has still a super cute downtown area, which I'm not going through today, but that might be something for the next time. But for today, I just want to basically try to, well, not try to, I will go around the northern part of the Okanagan Lake. And for that, I basically, like mentioned before, starting in Kelowna up to Lake Country, then Vernon, and then down the other side, basically again, Killiney Beach. Basically, I'm not sure if you can even see it here. I'm going across there, and then I'm coming down on the other side again, and then back to Kelowna. Should overall take me about 2 hours. I'm a little over 30 minutes in, almost 45 minutes. But this was basically now just the highway part of this entire trip. And I've known this area here before, like I drove by here. However, I have not been on the other side yet, at least not that far up. So I'm very curious to see what, because like I said, I have never been there before, so I really don't know what to expect. I think, yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what the differences are. However, the ride so far is super pretty, especially as soon as you saw the Kelowna Lake there. It's like coming just over the hill there and then driving down again. Very pretty. Through Vernon, I must say, just the stop and go is super annoying. I'm melting away. Like the motor is hot. I'm hot. Helmet is hot. Sun is hot. But so pretty. And then as soon as I'm riding again, like the wind is just cooling me down, which has the perfect temperature. New pavement! There's something about a new pavement that is so satisfying, eh? Like it's just clean and nice and black and even. Oh wow, that's bumpy. I don't know if it's just me or if actually the entire vibe of this area is again completely different to Kelowna, again completely different to Vernon. It seems to be way more farmy. Not sure if it's just because of the hay balls or not. I'm going to turn into this area here. I just changed my battery for a quick second. So I'm just stopping here now in between changing out the batteries on my GoPro. Having also a sip of water probably. And I think I'm pretty close to Killiney Beach. Is it called Killiney Beach? Killiney Beach, and I'm actually just in the middle of it. I just realized it. And then the next cities are going to be Fintry and then Traders Cove. And I hope that I just will get a little bit closer to the water. Just right now I'm like in the middle of the woods almost, and it's very country-like here. It's very pretty. But yeah, now I'm just going to switch out the battery, clean up the bugs from the footage, from the lens. So I hope the footage is not ruined and you can see like a weird girl stuck there. And there was a entire bunch of bugs, and I just will try to downtown Kelowna. So yeah, just these couple of high rises you see there is right downtown Kelowna. And the bridge that is crossing the water there, as you saw, is the only bridge in the entire crossing the Okanagan Lake. And now we're back in Kelowna. City traffic. Honestly, that was something I definitely did not miss during these last few hours. So yeah, I think I should wrap up this video now as I'm almost home. Leave me in the comments down below like your part and your area, which you actually liked most about this trip. Like if it was right at the beginning, the middle, the end, the cities, the nature, let me know. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, it would be fantastic if you would. And turn also on your notifications so you know when next video is online. And then also smash the like button because that will tell YouTube that you like my video and it will help me and my channel out a lot with the algorithm. And then we will see each other in the next video. Cheers!